Picture yourself in the 2006 MINI Cooper Hardtop. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This sporty Cooper Hardtop offers iconic retro charm, a firm, spirited ride, modern tech-savvy safety and infotainment features, and a true motorsports pedigree. Let the excitement begin. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, supercharged engine, 4-cylinder engine, 6-speed MT, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, stability control, rear spoiler, leather steering wheel, rain-sensing wipers. Give yourself a daily dose of fun in this delightful Cooper Hardtop. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.